Hi, I'm Rick with Factory Cat. I'm here to tell you today about the sanitation package we offer on 3 different size riders we manufacture right here in the US. The package consists of 3 main components here. First is the onboard aqueous ozone. You notice this box right here. That's controlled by a switch on the side of the dash. It's a 3-position switch, so you actually have off, so you can choose not to run it. Setting 1 and 2 are just different dilution ratios. It's nature's most powerful sanitizer. We then blend that into the water stream that's going down to your scrub deck. Now that's great for daily cleaning. Like I said, you can run it with a degreaser, so you have the benefit of both. And that's all controlled through the switch on your dash. The next system is the sprayer, the hand sprayer. This is hooked up to a 100 PSI pump in the machine. There's a blue switch on the dash right next to your ozone switch, which fires the pump up and allows you to use this sprayer to spray down anything in your building. Now you have 46 gallons of clean solution. You can put your disinfectant in there, and that allows you to have a 46-gallon spray dispenser. This is a high traffic area in our building, a couple doorways and a bathroom. We also have a security keypad here. I can mist the security keypad down the whole doorway in front of the door as well to eliminate transfer. This is an area where a scrubber typically doesn't get. Now we'll do the outside of the bathroom door, even the door jamb, some touch points on corners that people might grab. Now let's go in the bathroom and spray that down. Now continuing into the bathroom here, I could spray down the urinals, partitions. You can get the toilet and handle. Also with that system is the spray bar. That is attached to the same 100 PSI pump. You can actually use them individually or use them together. Again, you would put 46 gallons of clean solution and your disinfectant in the tank. There is a 2-valve system down here, lets you select between the spray bar and the hand pump. So if I want to use the spray bar, I would shut the hand pump off, turn the spray bar on. You can see it's dispensing out in a nice mist, actually wider than the machine. Most germs that are in a building get tracked all over on the floor through our feet. This, by applying that disinfectant and misting it, will help control some of that.